Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So we've got actually two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and obviously I will show you both options. So let's begin with a secret code. So we have to open the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see we couldn't find the serial number, so let me show you the second way to check the IMEI and serial number. It will also be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and here let's enter the status. And now let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and after scrolling down again you can check the serial number. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.